Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. So today we're gonna make chicken franks and alongside with some Jamaican grace baked bean. Yes guys, that's what we're gonna make. So here we have some thyme. Here we have green bell pepper. Here we have red bell pepper. Here we have some spring onion, aka scallion. Here we have some onion, white onion. And here we have some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do, we already have the season cut up already. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash off the franks with some vinegar. So I'm gonna wash it in some vinegar, and then I'm gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna get started. So okay guys, we just cut up the frankfurter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna season it guys. First I'm gonna use some Maggi chicken flavor season. Dust some on it guys, put that amount. I'm gonna use Maggi ginger powder, not much guys, about that amount. Use some onion powder, not much. And I'm gonna use some garlic powder. Also gonna use a little bit of black pepper, not much, just a dust, that's it. Also gonna use some cayenne pepper, about that amount guys. Also gonna use some paprika, about that amount. That's it guys. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry it up and get it cooking. So okay guys, now I have the oil eating. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a piece of crushed garlic to the oil. Next I'm gonna add onion, adding the onion guys, sweet pepper, green sweet red bell pepper. I'm gonna add all this seasoning to the pot guys and stir it. Yes guys, so we're letting the onion fry. So what I'm gonna do also guys, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of onion powder for the seasoning and a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit guys. I'm just letting that burst all the flavors out in the pot. Then after that I'm gonna add the frankfurter. Okay, the sausage. Alright guys, looking good, looking lovely. Look at that guys. After that flavor melt with the onion and all the seasoning, after 3 minutes, add in the frankfurter, aka sausage. Yes guys, look at that. That flavor looking lovely. So I'm gonna let that cook for like, fry up for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna add a baked bean, grace baked bean in tomato sauce. Okay guys, after 5-10 minutes, look, 5 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna add the baked bean guys. Look at that, lovely, looking lovely guys. Okay guys, so look at that, looking lovely guys. And just mix that baked bean in it. And then guys, what I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add a little bit of grace tomato ketchup. You can add whichever ketchup you have. Also gonna add some fish and meat sauce, not much guys, not much. And I'm also gonna add some ginger mango sauce, make it delicious guys, very delicious. I'm gonna add another spicy mango sauce. This guy's looking lovely. Just gonna mix that around, give that a nice lovely mix. Look at that, guys. Looking lovely. Guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let that cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it simmer, then I'm gonna turn it off. One more thing, guys, I'm also gonna add just a little piece of butter. This, guys, not much, just a little piece of butter, and let it simmer. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys, looking lovely. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna turn it off now. About 10 minutes, turn it off, and I'm gonna serve it with some white rice. Yes, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment for more video. Yes, guys, this is the finished product. Check it out. Yes, guys, baked bean with frankfurter, aka sausage, with white rice and some lettuce on the side. Check it out, guys, looking lovely. Gonna be so delicious. Look at it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more video. Alright, please leave a comment for more. Remember, guys, touch that subscribe button and that bell. Please hit that bell icon to notify you when I drop more videos. So baked bean and sausage, or you could say baked bean and frankfurter, cooking Caribbean Jamaican style.